Yes, 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 still here. And when it comes to fashion, when it comes to talent, when it comes to everything else, this girl, I'm not just saying this because we're friends, but it's Sister Debbie. How you doing, my darling?
I'm good, thank you. It's been
It
ages.
has been, I haven't seen you so long because of the lockdown and everything. But,
Yes.
as an artist, not stepping out, not performing for your fans, even though they want to see you, how did you deal with that, Debbie?
Well, thanks to the internet, I was able to deal with that because, the internet is there to showcase and not only to people in your country, globally. So I had to, manage and just deal with it. And it's been quite okay.
It has been. One thing I want to know, Debbie, and I've never asked you this personally, how do you say so consistent? What are you doing differently? And every artist has that thing about them. So, to that young girl watching Debbie, what is she doing so differently?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Well, I don't know. I'm just being myself, and also, actually, I keep creating. I always say that, the same way they say life is what you have to keep riding, paddling to, keep life moving like it's a bicycle. I feel like as an artist, you just have to keep creating. To just keep yourself going, and then do that to entertain yourself and to just keep your brain working. Just keep creating.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that. Now, before you leave us, I just want to know one thing. Are you happy with the state of the music industry? And that's a big question because this is the 22nd VGMAs and they've been improving every year. But looking at Ghana music, the attention given to artists, you give a lot of artists so much support on your social media platforms. Yes, you do. I mean, people don't say it, but that's the truth. You
It's
defend
true.
them, you
Yes,
support them, you post
yes,
their links.
I do.
Are you happy with the state of Ghanaian music right now?
Well, definitely not that happy because we still don't get royalties for like airplay. Yeah, I think that's the main issue. The royalties for all the times the music is played on air, on TV. We don't get that. We don't have a proper system. I don't even understand what's going on. It's like, do we need an app or is it a software? Like, we just need to sort that out, right? To be able to track all the airplay and stuff. That's one issue. And I feel like the whole system or needs to support the artists more because we are doing a lot on our own. So imagine if we had like proper official supports. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. That's why we have people like you and the VGMAs trying to push the boundaries when it comes to music and everything else. And I said something earlier about a small girl. To that small girl who wants to be you, who wants to be like you, that small boy who's like, I want to meet Debbie, I want to work with Sister Debbie, who is finding it difficult to be themselves because you're always yourself. You're always original, like you said. What do you want to tell that person?
Well, I tell them sometimes on my social media that if you want to be like me, then you have to be like yourself because I'm myself. And you need to believe in yourself and just keep pushing. Like, just do what you're passionate about and just keep pushing. That's it.
Thank you so much. You look like an Egyptian queen. Yeah, oh, you're not giving her fine. She doesn't believe me, but she does. She looks like an Egyptian queen, like a modern Egyptian queen. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Seeing you.
Yeah, you too. I miss you. On everything you've done so far. Yeah, I mean, it's Derby. I mean, yeah, it's just Derby. That's the Derby.
Thank you.